Tired of lugging around a clunky laptop that struggles to keep up? Meet the VGKE C15, a sleek and powerful device designed to elevate your daily computing experience. This compact powerhouse packs a punch with its Intel Celeron N5095 processor, 12GB of lightning-fast DDR4 RAM, and a spacious 256GB SSD. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the VGKE C15 has everything you need to stay productive and entertained. Its stunning 15.6-inch Full HD display, full-size backlit keyboard, and fingerprint reader make it the perfect companion for work, study, and play. VGKE 15.6 laptop, brand name, VGKE model name, C15, screen size, 15.6 inches, color, silver, hard disk size, 256GB CPU model, Celeron, RAM memory installed size, 12GB SSD, RAM type, DDR4, SDRAM, RAM memory technology, LPDDR4, operating system. Others, special feature, fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard, graphics card description, integrated connectivity technology, Wi-Fi, USB, wireless technology, Wi-Fi generation, Wi-Fi 5 manufacturer, VGKE, audio output type, headphones, audio features, high-definition audio, processor brand, Intel, processor count, 4, processor series, Celeron, processor speed, 2.9 GHz, CPU model generation, Celeron N5095, hardware connectivity USB, touchpad feature, common touchpad features, notebook pointing device description, touchpad, human interface input, touchpad, keyboard description, full-size backlit keyboard, keyboard layout, QWERTY, screen bezel thickness, 5.9 megameters, video processor, Intel, chipset type, Intel Pentium Silver N5000 processor series, hard disk interface, USB 3.0, graphics description, integrated, item weight, 3.1 pounds, hard drive size, 256GB, graphics coprocessor, Intel UHD Graphics 600, optical storage device, CDR, automatic backup software included, Windows 10, additional features, fingerprint reader, backlit keyboard, biometric security feature, fingerprint recognition, graphics card RAM, 12GB, voltage, 5 volts, specific uses for product, entertainment, student, business, form factor, laptop, item dimensions, LXWX thickness, 14.68, LX 9.56, 0.75 th, display technology, LCD, screen finish, glossy, display resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels, battery cell type, lithium-ion, lithium battery energy content, 44 watt-hours, GPU, Intel UHD graphics, card reader, micro SD card, battery, 6000 mAh, lithium-ion polymer. About this item: 10nm Intel processor, Intel Celeron N5095, quad-core 2.90 GHz CPU with low power consumption and high performance, 12GB DDR4 and 256GB SSD. The laptop runs with 12GB DDR4 dual-channel RAM, which can greatly improve the system response speed. 256GB SSD, much faster than traditional mechanical hard disk, provides fast reading and writing experience. Full HD screen. C15 has a 15.6-inch 1920*1080 Full HD IPS display with 5.9mm narrow bezels. You'll enjoy more screen real estate and less clutter. Full-size backlit keyboard. C15 laptop has a full-size keyboard with backlight, improves the convenience of input. The independent numeric keypad makes input even quick and convenient. Press Fn plus F5 at the same time to turn on the backlit keyboard. Fingerprint reader. C15 laptop comes with convenient fingerprint reader, strengthen the protection of personal privacy and information security. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.